Got the USB installed. Pretty rad. New tires. Enduro. Old school Golden Boy. And what we're going to do now, the center rack is supposed to be like a skull and crossbones, Moto skill. All this stuff comes from Thailand. Again, it's about 35 bucks, 35 bucks shipping. Cool little sticker. There's the hardware, no instructions. Crash bars. Gonna put those on too. And tools required. Allen key from the bike, Phillips, Sharpie, knife to open all the boxes. Here's rubber that goes around the crash bars, the stock ones, for the connections. Here's all the parts for the crash bars. 10mm drive if you're at home. Out on the road, you're going to have to use that. T40 to take the rubber, where the rubber meets the crash bar off there. Electrical tape to tape those on. You have your blue Loctite. That's about all you need. And I cheated, got started already, and put one of the pieces of rubber with electrical tape around there. Measured about 4 inches down. That's where the bottom of the top mount's going to go. I'm going to do a time lapse of this. Crash bars installed. Pretty simple. Use the Allen key from the bike, 10mm crescent wrench, Sharpie, Loctite, tape measure. Yeah, they look pretty good. I probably am going to go and get some nylon lock washers and replace these. But looks pretty solid and pretty on there. Alright, Moto skill with the little skull and crossbones. Center rack installed there. Pretty cool. It's got the little rubber plugs there, goes in there, little gap. Got the crash bars installed too. You got 3 leftover bolts from the bike. I'm going to save those. 2, 1, and 2. And then 3, the little one from right there. And better look at the crash bars again. But yeah, looking pretty sharp. Tools required, not really much. 10mm T40 works. Allen key from the bike. Tape measure. Sharpie. I use zip ties to hold the wheel in place. That's about it.